Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn. We are going to revise Hindi swar and vyanjan. So we are going to write swar and vyanjan in Hindi copy. All right. So bring your Hindi copy, your pencil, your eraser, and everything, and sit on a chair and sit in a perfect posture. All right. So let's write swar and vyanjan. Okay, children, so this is your Hindi copy. We are going to write Swan and Vyanjan. Swar and Vyanjan. Okay, so we are going to write Varnmala. What is this Varnmala? Varnmala means alphabet. We learn alphabet in English. हिंदी में उसे वर्णमाला कहते हैं. Okay, so we are going to write Varnmala. We are going to revise it. You have already done it in the month of April. Now we are going to revise it. All right. So first, everybody put date. What is the date today? It's 30th dot 6. 6 means June. Which month is going on? June. And you know today is the last day of June. So 30th June, which year is going on? 2020. 30th June 2020. Here put C.W. Alright. Now what we are going to write? Varnamala. Means alphabets in Hindi. Okay. So here write Va, Ra, Ra pe Ra, Varn, Ma pe A की मात्रा, La, La पे A की मात्रा. Varnmala. Okay. So Varnmala is divided into two parts like swar and vyanjan. So first we will write swar and then we will write vyanjan. Now what is swar? What are swars? The starting a, I, u, ri, e, o, aha. These are swars. From these swars we create matras. Okay, so these are swars. Let's write the swar first. So here put a heading. Write adha sa, va, ra. Swar. Okay, so first write swar. Now write a anarka. Take one finger gap. Write a amka. Take one finger gap. Write I imlika. Take one finger gap. Write I ika. Again take one finger gap. Write U ulluka. Take one finger gap and write U unka. Now the next line. Write Ri Rishika. Take one finger gap now. A Erika. Take one finger gap again. Write I Anaka. Again take one finger gap. Write O Oklika. Take one finger gap and write Ao Auratka. Now next line. Angur ka and Aha Khali. So A anar ka, A aam ka, I imli ka, I eek ka, U ullu ka, U un ka, Ri rishi ka, E edi ka, I ऐनक का, O औखली का, औ औरत का, अंगूर का, आह खाली. आ, I, U, ri. E, O, aha. Now we will write Vyanjan in the next line. Write आधा वा, या पे बिंदी, ज, na. Vyanjan. Okay. So what are Vyanjans? Ka, kha, ga, gha, inga, cha, cha, ja, jha, iya. These are the Vyanjans. Let's start. Right. का कमल का कलम का कबूतर का. More, search more words. Okay, now take one finger gap and write खा खरगोश खा खीरे खा खरबूजे का. Take one finger gap and write गा गमले गा गाय का. Now take one finger gap. घा घर घा घड़ी का. Now take one finger gap and write इंगा. Now the next line. Right. चा चाचू चा चम्मच का. Next, take one finger gap and write छा छड़ी छा छतरी का. Now take one finger gap and write जा जहाज जा जल का. Okay, now take one finger gap and write झा झाड़ू झा झंडे झा झरने का. And take one finger gap and write यहाँ खाली. Now the next line. Next is write टा टमाटर टा टब का. Take one finger gap and write ठा ठठेरे का. More words with tha. Now take one finger gap and write डा डमरू का. Take one finger gap and write ढा ढक्कन का. And अड़ा खाली. Now the next line. ता तरबूज ता ताकत का. Take one finger gap and write था थर्मस का. Next is दा दवाई का. था द. Then धा धनुष का. धा धन का. Take one finger gap and write ना नानी का ना नानू का. Okay, now the next line. Write पा पतंग पा पंछी का. Next is फा फल का. Okay, see children, ka and fa have different. Okay, fa touch the line, this sleeping line, but ka does not touch this sleeping line. Okay, so keep in mind. Pa. Next is ba बकरी का. बा बर्तन का. Now the next is भा भालू का. Pa, pha, ba, bha, and the next is ma. Ma, मछली का. Ma, मम्मी का. Ma, मार का. Okay, now the next is ya यज्ञ का. रा रसगुल्ले का. ला लड्डू का. वा वन का. या रा ला वा. Next is शा शरबत का. Take one finger gap and write शा षटकोण का. Next is सा सपेरे का. सा सुराही का. And हा हलवाई का. Now the next is क्षत्रिय का. त्रिशूल का. ज्ञानी का. And श्रमिक का. Alright, so we have done swar and we have done vyanjan, and these all called Varnmala. Okay, so revise this Varnmala, do it very nicely in your copy, do it neat and clean. I want very beautiful handwriting. Okay, children, so do it in your Hindi copy. Do send me the pics. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Be safe at home.
Info bells!